Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. All right, we're looking at number 8, Breath of Fresh Air, whole notes, comma, which is a breath mark, which is at the top of your page in this book, and 1, 2, here we working on this through this section is getting used to playing these different pitches and breathing and moving our fingers between them. So here we go down to number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here we go. So, different fingerings, but the breath between. So the D to the C is what I just did on that. And now we'll be moving on to our next song, number 10 here, starting on C. 3 and... That's our 2x2, number 10. 3. One breath. A little flat there. Careful when you get to the end that you do an actual whole note after all those half notes. Sometimes it's really easy to switch back into half note, and not that whole and an off thing at the end of that. And now we have Cardiff by the Sea. This is our first real song. And 1, 2, 3. We're looking at 13 here, and what we have here is a duet, so 2 different notes played at the same time. On a piano, on my bass, you can make that work. On a baritone or a trombone, not as easy, so usually these are designed for multiple people. And you want to keep your tempo steady as you do it. to part B. She's going to have B flats in certain sections instead of D's, since technically the book at this part only has us knowing 3 different pitches. 1, 2. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.